I am Falita and today we are going to be discussing about Ayurvedic remedies to get healthy and glowing skin. Who doesn't want healthy skin and glowing skin? Everybody does. Remember that you do not need expensive cosmetics or any sort of surgery in order to achieve this. Our ancient Ayurvedic remedies work wonders on your skin and help you to achieve healthy and glowing skin. Now, glowing skin is also a sign of good health. In today's video, we are going to be discussing about various Ayurvedic treatments to help you achieve glowing skin that's going to make you look radiant and younger. Now, the first of these Ayurvedic remedies that we are going to be talking about includes almond powder as well as sandalwood powder. Now, most of you might have heard that both these components are very useful to brighten your skin and make it glowing. Now, I'm going to tell you about how to form a paste that you can apply on your skin and leave it on for 20 minutes like a magical pack to help you get glowing and radiant skin. Now what you need to do is take 4 tablespoons of sandalwood powder, 2 tablespoons of almond powder and mix it with 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Mix it well and apply this paste onto your face. Let it rest for 20 minutes or until dry. You will feel that your skin is rejuvenating and it will feel really cool on your face. Don't forget to rinse off after 20 minutes and don't leave any particles of almond powder or sandalwood powder behind. Sandalwood is known to have antiviral and antiseptic properties. It helps to cool down your skin if there's any rashes on your skin or if you have pimples or if you have blemishes. Sandalwood helps to get rid of all of them, giving you an even tone and a cool face that is bright and shiny. And almond powder is known to be containing lots of nutrients which are very useful for your skin. You can also consume almond on a daily basis. Using it on your skin as a powder along with coconut oil and sandalwood powder is very helpful. This pack can be used 2 to 3 times per week. Now the second remedy that we are going to be discussing also has to do with the items that are available in your kitchen. This is a remedy that includes tomato juice, rice flour and turmeric powder, and these 3 ingredients are readily available for use in your kitchen. Now what you have to do with these 3 ingredients is take the juice of 1 tomato, mix it with 2 tablespoons of rice flour and 2 tablespoons of turmeric. This paste is to be applied on your face and gently massaged on. Now remember that tomato has some acidic properties which might cause your skin to itch a bit when you are massaging it into your skin or leaving it on for a bit. But this is okay because the acidic properties in a tomato is trying to get rid of all of the extra oils which are not beneficial for your skin. So use this pack 2 to 3 times a week for healthy and glowing skin. The third remedy that Ayurveda offers for healthy skin is also a very easy one. This needs only 2 ingredients which are aloe vera and lemon. Now you can find lemon or lime in your kitchen, but aloe vera is not that easily found. Some Indian homes grow aloe vera in the pots outside the house, which is very convenient. If you don't know how to extract aloe vera gel, then you can resort to using aloe vera gel from the stores. Now you need to take equal proportions of both of these ingredients in a bowl, mix it, apply it on your face and leave it overnight. It's very helpful. It cools down your skin, it cools down any blemishes and pimple forming activities that are going on in your skin is completely taken care of because of this paste. You can leave this paste sitting on your face overnight. Remember that you can use this gel every day of the week. It is highly beneficial. It gives you an even complexion and a glowing and healthy skin tone. This pack is especially helpful for us city dwellers as pollution has a very bad effect on our skin. So leave this resting on your face overnight to rejuvenate your skin which is damaged from pollution. Now the next remedy that I'm going to be talking about is a little bit on the costlier side, but it is very effective to treat whiteheads, blackheads, blemishes and pimples. What you will need are saffron strands, olive oil and distilled water. In a bowl of distilled water, add 2 to 3 strands of saffron. Wait for it to turn golden in color. Later, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil and stir well. Take a cotton swab and dip it into this mixture and rub it on your face gently. This helps soothe your blemishes and it also takes care of whiteheads and blackheads. Now the next remedy that we are going to be offering for skin treatment is Kumkumadi oil or Kumkumadi Tailam. It is available in Ayurvedic shops for purchase and it's quite easily available in the local markets or any Ayurvedic shop. Take 2 to 3 drops of Kumkumadi Tailam or Kumkumadi oil on a cotton swab and rub it gently on your face. Leave this on for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse it off with cold water. Kumkumadi Tailam has antioxidant properties that help to cool down the blemishes on your skin. It also helps to remove tan and burnt skin and is especially helpful for the reduction of pimples. If you are suffering from a case of chickenpox or chronic acne, then we recommend the use of tulsi and neem paste on your skin. Just blend tulsi leaves and neem leaves in a grinder and apply it all over your body or wherever you are facing issues, and you can leave this on for 20 to 30 minutes and rinse it off in cold water. This effectively takes care of any rashes, itches or burns on your skin and is especially helpful in getting rid of any marks that are left behind due to acne or chickenpox. We cannot stress the importance of neem and tulsi when it comes to skincare. This is why you can find that a lot of cosmetic ranges use neem and tulsi extracts in their range. It is because it has some antioxidant properties, anti-inflammatory properties, and these properties can help cure acne, skin rashes and any sorts of skin diseases. We also recommend the intake of papaya and using papaya paste on your skin for healthy skin benefits. You can use papaya in your diet on a daily basis to get healthy and glowing skin. Additionally, 2 to 3 times a week, you may also apply papaya paste. Let it sit on your face for 15 to 30 minutes and rinse it off in warm water. Now also remember that papaya, like tomato, can be quite irritating when it is sitting on your skin. But do not worry, this is not harmful for your skin in any way. It is only absorbing the excess oils that your skin does not need. The last remedy that I am going to be telling you in this video today is already popular. You might have heard that honey and lemon have various skin benefits. Now what you need to do is take 1 tablespoon of honey and mix it with some lime extract and gently rub it onto your face either using your hands or a cotton swab. You can let this paste resting on your face for 20 to 30 minutes. Now remember what I told you last, because lemon is acidic, it might irritate your skin a bit while it is resting on your face, but there is nothing to worry as it does not harm your skin in any way or cause wrinkles as is a popular misbelief. We come to the end of this video. We do hope that you received some very useful information today, and we hope that if you're suffering from any sorts of skin disease or in general want healthy and glowing skin, that you will refer to these remedies that we suggested. If you liked today's video, hit on the like button. If you have comments, use the comment section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.